In a heat pump consists broadly of three parts: the outside unit, which absorbs heat from the outside air, the inside
to any major city, it's easy on the crime rate, not 5 hours away from a hospital, and not so far out in the sticks, you can't get good internet.
Knife kill, will that fix it? What the heck happened? Why did I go prone? Knife him? I can't knife him. I can't shoot the gun either. Did they forget to finish this game too? Die.
Great fucking place to walk a dog and have a conversation. The fuck are you doing?
Manual recording will...
People that sacrifice their most valuable possession for something greater. ODST is about reminding you that you are, despite...
Manual recording will now start.
Yeah, what's that thing next to the road? I believe it's called a sidewalk. Although I guess she's jogging, so they've never made a side jog.
Areas of mathematics with his answer. Grigori then returned to lecturing and did a lecturing tour.
Show off what we're doing, what we're proud of. It's not something that we want to decide on. You guys are our audience. So,
Another reflection of our passage.
His dialogue is good, but he's just not the same. The voice actor was changed, which I imagine Bungie had
to do. That's the passing zone.
But it doesn't make sense.
Manual recording will now start.
Development that would turn truth into this.
Hey, who cares, right?
So before I talk about the next scene, which utterly breaks the story, I need to address...
Well, then get a move on!
Actually, I know that this is...
Looksy at it. For those of you who haven't played Reach in a while, here's a quick recap to get you up to speed. The game begins with Noble 6 joining a squad of 5 other Spartans.
All those blinding lights, still you can't see.
To finish the elaborate garment at the end of the work, the shot weighed over 3 kilograms.
What are we doing?
And it was made up of 100.
Manual recording will now start.
And 14,022 carats.
Yeah, I think it's time to put a signal here.